Ah, I missed the siren.
Weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado watch number.
Now, you may be wondering real quick, where's my WR100? Well, I do not have space off this power strip for my WR100, so I have to put my WR100 in here.